What's something people don't know about solid-state batteries? They could completely revolutionize electric vehicles, making them faster, safer, and able to charge in minutes instead of hours. If you think EVs are impressive now, just wait until you see what's coming next. Electric vehicles are no longer a niche, they're mainstream, transforming the way we think about transportation and our daily commutes. More and more people are making the switch, and it's not just about being eco-friendly anymore. Today's EVs are fun to drive, packed with cutting-edge tech, and offer a driving experience that's both futuristic and intuitive. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid are pushing EVs to new heights, constantly innovating and setting new standards for performance, design, and sustainability. These vehicles are faster, offer longer range, and are smarter than ever before, with features that were once the stuff of science fiction. The EV revolution is here, reshaping the auto industry. But every revolution needs its next leap forward to truly change the world. For EVs, that leap is all about the battery. The battery is the heart of an electric car. It determines how far you can go, how quickly you can recharge, and how practical EVs are for everyday life. We've made impressive progress, but current lithium-ion technology is starting to hit its limits, especially as demand for better performance grows. The world is waiting for a breakthrough: solid-state batteries, which promise to revolutionize how we power our vehicles. This isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a fundamental shift in energy storage with the potential to change everything about electric mobility. Solid-state technology promises to solve the biggest EV pain points: slow charging times, limited range, and concerns about battery safety. Imagine taking a long road trip without worrying about range anxiety, or confidently planning your next adventure knowing your battery is up to the task. Picture charging your car as quickly as filling up with gas, making stops shorter and more convenient than ever before. And with batteries that last longer, are safer, and require less maintenance, the future of driving looks brighter for everyone. This technology could unlock a new era for clean energy and transportation, making our cities cleaner and our air healthier. The transition to solid-state batteries could be as transformative as the switch from gas to electric cars, a true game changer. So, what makes these batteries so special and how do they work? Why is everyone in the industry so excited about solid state? Let's break it down and see what the future holds. Most electric vehicles and portable gadgets today rely on lithium-ion batteries as their main power source. From smartphones and laptops to the latest EVs, these batteries are everywhere, fueling our daily lives and the technology we depend on. They've powered the tech boom, making possible everything from wireless headphones to long-range electric cars. But despite their widespread use, lithium-ion batteries are far from perfect. The main issue? Safety. Lithium-ion batteries use a flammable liquid electrolyte, which can be hazardous under certain conditions. If a battery is damaged, punctured, or overheated, it can catch fire or even explode, a rare but very serious risk that has led to recalls and safety concerns. Fast charging, which is essential for convenience, generates a lot of heat. This heat not only poses safety risks but also degrades the battery, shortening its overall lifespan. Even with the latest technology, charging an EV still takes much longer than filling up a gas tank, which can be frustrating for drivers in a hurry. Over time, every charge and discharge cycle slowly reduces the battery's capacity, meaning it holds less energy as it ages. As a result, older EVs lose driving range, and replacing a worn-out battery pack can be extremely expensive, sometimes costing thousands of dollars. Automakers have developed complex battery management systems to slow down this degradation, but no system can completely prevent it from happening. Safety, charging speed, and lifespan remain the biggest hurdles for lithium-ion technology, holding back the next wave of electric mobility. These challenges make many people hesitate to switch to electric vehicles, worried about reliability, convenience, and long-term costs. The industry is searching for a safer, faster, and longer-lasting solution, one that can overcome these limitations and truly revolutionize transportation. That's where solid-state batteries come in, promising to address many of these issues with a completely new approach. Let's take a closer look at how solid-state technology could change the game for electric vehicles and beyond. Solid-state batteries replace the flammable liquid with a solid electrolyte, ceramic, polymer, or glass. This single change makes batteries safer and more efficient. No liquid means almost zero fire risk and less need for heavy cooling systems. Solid-state batteries can pack in much more energy, potentially double the density of lithium-ion. That means longer range or smaller, lighter battery packs. Charging is much faster too, 10 to 15 minutes for a major top-up. The solid electrolyte can handle rapid charging without overheating or damage. This could make EV charging as quick and easy as a gas stop. It's a true game-changer for electric vehicles. If you're excited about the future of EVs, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Picture a lithium-ion battery as a water balloon. Flexible, powerful, but fragile and prone to leaks or bursts. These batteries have revolutionized our world, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, but their design comes with trade-offs. The liquid electrolyte inside, while efficient, can be volatile, making the battery sensitive to punctures, overheating, and even fires in rare cases. Now imagine a solid-state battery as a sturdy block, dense, stable, and tough. Instead of liquid, it uses a solid electrolyte, which makes the battery much more robust and less prone to dangerous failures. It's not easily punctured, doesn't leak, and is far more durable. This means it can withstand more abuse and still keep working safely, even in demanding conditions. This structure allows for faster charging, greater safety, and longer life. Solid-state batteries can handle higher voltages and temperatures, making them ideal for next-generation electric vehicles and devices. Compare two identical EVs, one with a traditional lithium-ion battery, which needs a big, heavy pack just to reach 300 miles of range, adding weight and taking up space. The solid-state version could double that range or use a much smaller, lighter battery. This means more room for passengers or cargo, and a lighter car that's more efficient overall. Solid-state batteries are projected to last hundreds of thousands, even 1,000,000 miles, with minimal degradation. That's far beyond what most cars will ever need in their lifetime. They could outlast the car itself and be reused elsewhere, like in home energy storage or backup power systems, giving them a second life. This turns batteries from consumables into long-term assets, fundamentally changing how we think about energy storage and sustainability. It's a massive shift for the auto industry, requiring new manufacturing techniques and opening up new possibilities for design and performance. The benefits are clear and compelling, promising a future where our vehicles are safer, last longer, and go farther than ever before. What does this mean for you? First, range anxiety disappears. Solid-state EVs could offer 500, 600, even 700 miles per charge. Long road trips become easy, with fewer stops and more freedom. Charging is nearly as fast as filling up with gas, 10 or 15 minutes for hundreds of miles. No more planning your day around charging stops. Safety improves too. Solid-state batteries are non-flammable, giving peace of mind. Simpler, lighter battery systems could make EVs cheaper and more spacious. Batteries will last longer, so your car holds its value. Solid-state tech could make EVs superior to gas cars in every way: performance, convenience, safety, and longevity. The next generation of EVs will be lighter, roomier, and more reliable. This is the future of personal transportation, and it's coming soon. Solid-state batteries aren't just for cars. Drones could fly longer, opening new possibilities for delivery and photography. Electric planes could finally become practical, slashing aviation emissions. Homes and cities could use compact, safe battery storage for renewable energy. Imagine neighborhoods with resilient, decentralized power grids. Even phones and wearables will benefit. Days of battery life, safer devices, and new designs. Medical implants, power tools, and more will be unchained from today's battery limits. The benefits, more energy, less space, better safety, apply everywhere. Solid-state tech will transform countless devices. The impact goes far beyond the road. Solid-state batteries are more than an upgrade, they're a revolution. Manufacturing challenges remain, but progress is rapid. This tech will accelerate EV adoption, enable new forms of transport, and stabilize our power grids. It's a leap that will elevate entire industries and ecosystems. Imagine cities filled with quiet, long-lasting electric vehicles. Picture a world powered by renewables, with safe, efficient energy storage. Solid-state batteries are the key to a cleaner, more powerful future. The electric era is here, and it's about to get even brighter. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the future of energy. We appreciate you watching, have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for more amazing futuristic content.